All right, those that play golf, this is a perfect item for you guys, especially if you're going to play outdoors or indoors. If you want to practice your golf game, this is a great game. Now, included with it, they give you the buckets. All right, these are foldable buckets. The indoor or outdoor golf balls, and they're not golf balls, they're actually larger than golf balls. All right, one thing I didn't mention, guys, check this out. I want to show you guys something. It comes with a scoreboard with the actual pen. It has these foldable flags, these stakes. All right, and I'm gonna show you one that I just did right now. I put in the flags. I'm gonna show you here. They come with the flags. If you guys can see, one side's the stake sign, the other one's the actual flat end. And if you guys can see, each one has a hole of these little things, barrels, that you could take off in here. You could take off the stake, if you guys can see that, and put it in here in case the wind blows it. It's perfect. And if you guys can see, this is going to be our scores that we're going to have to shoot in here.
Let me try it now.
Hold on, one more. Here. So at the end of the day, when you're a loser like I am right now, I lost against my wife, you put everything back in the bag. So let's go ahead and put it together.